Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, the 11-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 won't have an in-display fingerprint sensor. This is new leaks coming. By the way, Samsung may not showcase the Galaxy Z Fold 2 at its August 5 Unpacked event after all, but there is still plenty of hardware that expected to get officially on that occasion. Alongside the two Note 20 family member, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and perhaps the Galaxy Watch 3 will also reportedly see Note 1, but two high-end tablets being launched, both call it Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. A press render of the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 leaked less than 24 hours ago, and now comes new information about biometrics. There will be two sizes, the Galaxy Tab S7 11-inch and the Galaxy Tab S7 12.4-inch, just in case the resemblance to the iPad Pro line in looks was not enough to convince you who Samsung thinks these tablets' main competitor are. The smaller 11-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 variation will apparently not have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Instead, it option to go with the capacitive solution mounted inside the power button on the side. The bigger 12.4-inch tablet, however, will support an optical in-display sensor, and it's unclear what the reason for the differentiation may be. It also not known at the moment if the Tab S7 Plus will get an optical sensor like most phones or an ultrasonic one like the Samsung flagship handset. Otherwise, the two sizes are expected to be pretty similar. They powered by the newly announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset with a 5G and S Pen support backed in. The S7 Plus has a 10,090 mAh battery, while the Tab S7 has to make do with 7,700 maybe 7,800 mAh cells. The screen should be AMOLED, and the speaker tuned by AKG. Neither model will have any water resistant torque. So guys, this is the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and S7 is upcoming in August. They will reveal. By the way, the Qualcomm current fastest SoC will be paired on these. The Galaxy Tab S7 Plus has 6 GB and 8 GB of RAM, while storage will be available. Two storage variant, 128 GB and 256 GB storage. The charging fastest is the 45-watt fast charging over the USB PD on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, but this is the current rumors and leaks. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.